Hello and welcome back to another beamng episode. Today I'm going to be bringing 2 log trailers down the downhill endurance track. I'm probably gonna die, so let's go. Am I gonna high slip on this turn here? I hope not. No, I'm fine. Alright, we're good. Where's the... oh crap. This looks insane. Like, I've got 2 trailers behind me. How in ding dong am I gonna do this? Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. So, okay, both my trailers are fine. I don't have the braking power to do this, or I doubt I do. Oh crap, we're wobbling. Big speed wobbles. Oh no! That's not good. Maybe I can hit one of the ramps. Yeah! Ouch. That was a lot of pain. So I guess try this again. And lower it! Gotta take it, just take it. Yes, yes, we're good. Yes, success. Oh, we lost some logs down there. Whoa. Trailer sliding. It's like a hang jackknife. Oh, the engine is no longer existing. So that's a problem. Just a minor problem. You know, it's a little more than minor, because right now I don't have any engine, so I can't go anywhere. Hey, I'm kind of going. I'm sliding. Yeah, we're gonna need... I think I need a bigger, more powerful... a truck with a little more oomph. You know what I mean? A truck with a little more oomph. You look like you've got a lot of oomph. Oh yeah, you look like you've got a lot of oomph. Yeah. Look at all my oomph. Let's go. Look at all the oomph. It's a little laggy in this truck. Got too much oomph for my CPU to stand. Hopefully this video will end before my PC explodes. Oh boy. Oh, that's bad. We're just gonna slide all the way down. Wait, if I go into these ramps at an angle, maybe I can flip myself back over. Yes? Boom! I need another attempt at this. There we go. Maybe so this is where I can detach my trailer like if it gets hard. Alright. Gotta do a big... I think we gotta go through and shoot the gap here. Nice. Let's go. I think my trailer just touched it. Good. So far, I had it like, oh, no. Detach. Now let me slide over. Yes, come on, flip it. No, don't put that in too. I'm missing a wheel. I think my engine is on fire. That's not right. Ouch. I can just flip back over. Just flip back over, you dang dog. Come on, flip it. Flip it. Come on, flip it. Come on. Flip it. Yes! is this thing still up? It doesn't still go. That's my coolant's overheating. I'm on fire. I can tell. Nope, I missed. How did I miss at failing? Ouch. Alright, here we go. I think I can... Oh! I don't have enough reverse power, so I guess we're going down without the trailer. I guess this thing has a swing. Uh-oh. Yeah, brakes! Boom. That's what you call skill. Totally not by accident. Gotta get this done. Bang, 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 bang. Gotta slide it, slide it. Break my neck. It's all fine. It's all. I wasn't using that neck anyway. Ouch, 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 ouch. Yay, good. Now as long as I, as long as my engine still goes. Yeah, there we go. I can just go. Good. If I could just hit the floor, then if I get to the ice section, I can get something mental. Maybe I just, you know what? Screw the logs. We don't need them. We need something with really fast. Oh, that's not meant to do. Right, I need, where's that, you. And if this doesn't work, I got something else we can use. And floor it. Oh, but this I'm gonna have to slow down for these bumps, because they're hard to fought. Ouch. Brakes. This might need its matching because these bumps are not going to be super good. Hey, we're good. Just don't hit a jump, Aw, crap, the rocks. We're good. Landing. Success. Is my half shaft? Oh, it's completely busted. Just go. Why is it hurt? I'm so terrible at this. No, I'm just gonna floor it. Maybe if I just floor it, I can. Ouch. Just keep it floored. I don't think flooring it's gonna help much anymore, but yep, maybe just this continuous big long roll will help. Just keep rolling. Yeah, end over end. That's a good way to do it. Come on, I can just make it to the ice. I have no wheels. Wait a minute. Here we go. sticks the landing. Just I think I know what I need. I need the here. Just download the mod here. I don't think I have it. Really? What in the world? I didn't need to do that. And go. I think that's it. No? Okay, what about just words? Yeah, here we go. Downloading. We're gonna go ahead and try this. Let's hope it might work. Wait, maybe. Hold on. I know what I can do. Once this loads in, it takes a long time with this. Okay, there we go. I think if I can just vehicle settings, front wing. If I take this off, I should be able to fly. Yes, so I think I can fly. And I told ya, I can fly when I take that. I'm not gonna get any farther than I did just in the chinchilla. Who knows? Maybe this thing will make it all the way down. What's this thing still on? I think the mod I downloaded is ready. Maybe? Maybe not. I guess not. Again. Alright, it is downloaded. What's that? Hello? Oh, there it is. I don't know how I missed that. I can only make this video 2 minutes longer than what it is because if you didn't know, you can't, if you're not signed in to Google, you can't make the video longer than 15 minutes. And I've only got 13 minutes and 25, or no, I've only got, the video's 13 minutes and 30 seconds long at the moment, at the time that you should be watching this. Why is this taking so jiggly long? Now, if this doesn't work, I don't know what will. Hey, it works. Now, I'm not familiar with how to fly this thing. How do you go up? Is it up? How in gravy name do you go up? Okay, here we go. We're good. I can just keep flying. But what's up? What's up and down? Well, it's probably G and T. Nope. T turns on the doors. Shift plus R. That's weird. Nope. Shift plus F. Okay, there we go. We got it. So Shift plus F does that. Such a tiny little wing on the back. Shift plus F. Well, I have to go because I have to turn this off.